You ready? I think it's 7. I think this is going to take very long.
Okay, it's on.
You ready? I'd like to call this public hearing to order. All members of council in attendance and mayors or members of the administrative staff as well. Purpose of the public hearing this evening is to consider the amendments and to hear from the public about amending section 1105.07 variances for the codified ordinances of the city of Sylvania. There is literally, other than administrative staff and council members, no one here from the public. So I'm assuming we don't have to go through the formal process of for and against. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Mrs. Browning, but just for the purposes of educating or refreshing all of our memories, I would like to have the law director, Mrs. Browning, give us a brief update on where this stands and what this public hearing is about.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Fry. This is the last step in the procedural process to formally amend section 110507. It was previously brought to council and referred to the Plan Commission for its review on March 6th. So it's been a couple of months, but it was just to actually clean up and clarify our section on variances based on a recent Supreme Court ruling and a question that one of the Board of Zoning Appeals members had about their authority to consider something. So this clears up any confusion, and we recommend its approval. Because it's an amendment to the zoning code, it had to go through all of the steps in the process. This is the final.
Any questions from members of council for Mrs. Browning in regards to 110507 amendments? No?
It's not that we're not interested.
No, this is, you've already seen it, so I
Yeah,
get
I know.
it, yeah.
This is clean up on aisle
Yes,
5, so to
that's right.
speak, right?
That's right, yeah.
Modification and updating
Yep.
the language for circumstances and the like.
Yep.
Let the record show that Mayor Stiles also joined us. Mayor, I'm about ready to close this public hearing. Do you have any comments that you'd like to make about the codified ordinances amendments? No. Okay.
Neither did anybody else.
Yeah, we didn't have any either, Mr. Mayor. So with that, I don't think I need a motion to close the public hearing, do I?
Nope.
With that, I'll close the public hearing at 7:03 PM. Thank you very much, and we'll restart the meeting at 7:30 for council.